So the big red doe here, who looked like she was having 30 babies, is in labor. She's got a bubble. So the doe on the right's her daughter from last year. I'm sorry, the doe on the left. The one on the right was her daughter from the prior year. So the family units are pretty strong. She's ran everybody out of the pen, except the little black doe in the very back, which is her granddaughter. Yes. Sorry, it's hard to keep up with. So if she spins around, you may see her bubble. Oh, she sucked it back in. So she's up talking, laboring it out. I would expect her to have triplets. She usually does. Just pushing. See a clear bubble. Jason's supposed to be on his way out with our emergency birthing kit. He just has some stuff in it in case we need it to help. Unfortunately, the entire herd's in here because it was raining yesterday, and this is the place they like to sleep. You got it, Mama. Come on. Come on. Push, baby girl. Push. I see the head. Here it comes. Come on. You got it, girl. You got it. Push. Push. Push, girl. Push. Good girl. Good girl. Let's get it out. Yes, I know she's in the dirt. I will get a towel under him in just a second. Her, I say him because he's big. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Come on, Daddy, with the towels. So when it's cold out and they have the babies, they take the bag off the head first most of the time. And that actually keeps the babies warm. There you go, Mama. Get up and get him. That's my girl. I'm trying to keep his head out of the dirt until Daddy gets here with the towels. We've got a pen for her. We'll get her moved. Even the grandbaby is like, what's going on, Mama? What you girls think? Huh? Mama Fur just had a baby. She did. Yeah. She's got another one or two in there. I know she does. They always pick to have them in the worst places. Yeah. Back up. Give her some room. Hi. Hi, Puddin'. He's on the ground. It's just super dirty. You want to hold the camera? I got Facebook Live on, and I'll put it on a towel. All right, here, let me just get you. Right here. Come on, right there with you. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. I assume it's a boy baby. It's ginormous fur. If it's a girl baby, I can't even see. I can't even see. No. I saw a bubble called you, and she had it on the ground 60 seconds later. You girls could move and give Mama a little space, and Grandma. Happy Saturday.
Just starting off with one. There's a little more.
I couldn't see. It's dark, and I didn't. If you want to take your headlamp over there and look, you can. Puddin', why don't you and little... I'm talking to you. She's like, no, we're staying here. We're supposed to be here. It's my mama. She stood up and cleared everybody out. She's like, y'all go. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. We don't have very good reception, so I just lost the signal out here. Puddin', get over here and leave Mama alone. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Dove. You're going to be upset when she headbutts you and moves you. Give her. Yeah. Yeah. Dottie's good. She, they were standing up nursing. I scratched her neck. And then I came over here and just happened to catch her. Or I would have missed it, you know. I saw something shiny. I was looking for her specifically. So after she finishes having the babies, plural babies, I know she's got more, we will get her moved into a clean birthing pen. The towels just kind of keep some of the ick off of him because this is their favorite place to lay. Here, let me show you what I mean. See all the goats? They have other shelters. This is their favorite. They're very much creatures of habit. I see you there. And Sophie here, she can't. She's biting my hand like, love me. I don't know if the other one's coming out yet or not. She's not pushing for sure. That'd be nice. Because she's a chunkamunka. She's going to be a big one. I would guess from the size it's a boy, but you never know. Where you going, Miss Caramel Crunch? You're in the way, ma'am. You're in the way. There she goes. And she's bearing down. She's probably getting ready to push out another one. She's a pro. Nope. Will you pick him up and scoot him back up on that? Try and keep him off that dirt. He's backing up a little. Okay. Well, at least we'll have some light in a few minutes, huh, guys? I'll check my others in here while she's cleaning him up. Sorry, I was checking my other girls. We're on baby watch with quite a few of these girls. We don't pin them because it stresses them out. They're not used to being pinned. Isn't that right? Huh? See, we're not used to being pinned. I know, you smell that baby? That's Mama's baby. Yes. That's Mama's baby. She's rotten. You did good, Mama. You did so good. Come on now, Puddin'. Come on. She doesn't need your help. She doesn't need the granddaughter's help either. Bring her out. Good girl. Come on. Come on. She'll follow you. Good girls. Give her some space. So I'm really surprised she hasn't pushed out another one yet. He is definitely climbing off the blanket again. Let me move him. Watch out, doll. Hey, you scooch back. I don't know. Let me get him, Mama. Here. Well, let's put him back on. Yeah, let's try and keep him as clean as possible. Sorry, I know this video is all over the place, but it's really about fur and the babies, not the video, so. Oh, so someone said they missed it. So once I post it, you can actually go back and watch. And you'll see it. So I think she has another one. She usually has triplets. For you guys that are just joining, this is their favorite goat shelter. So yes, it's a mess. But this is where she wanted to have him. We have a birthing pen set up for her. So as soon as she gets the other one out, or two out, we'll get her moved. All we do is pick up the baby. You can hear him talking to her. And he'll talk to her and she'll follow me right to the pen. So it's super easy. If I lock them up prior to kidding, they get stressed out. And that's not good for my mamas. They're not used to being locked up. Get up. You got it. Go, baby boy. Go. There he goes. Yay. Oh, right into the dirt. You little turd. Yes, I don't want you in the dirt. I guess that's just going to be a thing. Here, Mama. Here. And you just picked the dirtiest place to have him. You did. Sorry. Trying to spread out this old beach towel and give him some more room. There he is. There he is. Good boy. So if you guys don't follow our page, follow us. We're going into kidding season, and when I can, I Facebook Live. Sometimes I don't have a signal. Sometimes I have to stop because I have to help. The goat's more important than Facebook Live, so please keep that in mind. I have people that get upset sometimes when I cut the camera off. But follow us, and you'll see lots more babies. We have a herd of close to 100 does. About 50-50 Boers and mini Nubians. This is one of our Boer girls. You gotta have another one in there. Oh, he said, Mama, I'm clean. Maybe she doesn't like it that color. She's trying to lick it off. What you think? You trying to clean the color off, Mama? She's just really good, Mama. This is what your mama should do. Lick them, clean them, stimulate them. She's going to cut his cord in a minute, chew it off a little bit, shorten it for me. She said, we don't want human mom to have to do that. Alright, I'm going to sneak around to the back and see what's going on now that's getting a little daylight and I can see a little bit better. Excuse me, girls. Of course, I can't see anything. Let me see. I got a bubble. That might be the only one. I'll be shocked. Oh, my girls. So the herd's starting to go and leave the shelter that they like so much. Oh, you gonna lay down, Mama? You can lay down on it. Go ahead. Daddy's getting your pen set up. We'll get you moved in just a minute. Let me check. Is that birthing bag? Yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like you're gonna have it anymore. Nope, it looks like afterbirth. Lay down with him. You gonna push out one more? You gonna do one more? I'll take a little girl. You got his leg, I think. I think you got his leg. You do. Okay. You're okay, Mama. You're okay. And, you know, so much for trying to keep him clean. You did good, Miss Fur. I'm so proud of you. He said he's proud of you, too. He's clean as a whistle. Oh, there he goes. She's going to push him back to eat. Let's see if he's ready to nurse. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes it takes an hour or so. He's still kind of on the towel, which makes me happy. They don't care. There she goes. She's going to lay down again. He keeps making noise. Here, let's scooch him over. Let's scooch him out. Yeah, let's scooch him over here so you have some more room, Mama. There you go. There you go. There you go. You don't have to be pinned up against that wall. So, this big guy, this is Dad. He's the big guy over there. course, he's over there, not even thinking about paying child support. He's going to be in a shock. State of shock. He's got lots of child support this year. He does. You're such a good mama for her. Textbook delivery, textbook mama, like it doesn't get any better than this. Textbook baby. He's up walking around and stumbling. That's normal. And she's licking on him pretty hard, pretty intense. She'll take her head and she keeps moving him, kinda. You done, Miss Fert? You did so good. So as soon as I get her moved, she'll get a big old alfalfa flake, grains, some more molasses water. And we do that, kind of gives her a boost of energy. You know, if they've got multiples, they can take it out of them, or if they've had a rough delivery, they love warm water. And most of them like molasses water, so it's just a good little trick to make sure they've got energy to take care of the babies and get up and eat. It's quick energy. Sometimes if we have a mama that's having a hard delivery, we'll go get molasses water and bring it to her. I know. What you think? You got him back in the dirt for me. You do. She said, well, hi, Daddy. You want to peek around the backside and see if that's a... Well, she's starting to move now.
Get off of him. Get off of him. Sticking right on him.
See, that's why God makes them like rubber bands. I think he's got his foot over.
Watch out. Come here. Get this little joker over here. Put him up.
I would say she's been doing a great job of cleaning him.
Okay. It's just gonna get worse.
I know. Well, if that's her, if you'll check her backside, if she's done, we'll move her. I would have thought she was gonna have one more.
She may.
Okay.
Be a little bit.
You're so nosy. This is her mama. She's very concerned about what's going on over there.
I think you're pudding. Here it goes.
She did that a while ago. She's on him. I had to move him.
Hey, can we free the baby? Free the baby. Hey, he's alright. He's alright. He's alright. Sit down. Watch your eyes.
So she was laying on him, so we had to move him a little bit.
Y'all are training it all over the place.
You hear that? You hear that?
Alright, let's get you, let's go to that thing.
Okay. All right, guys. We're going to get off here.